So here's the move back to the upside now on Amazon. Just be careful. Use a very tight stop right here, right? If it cannot hold 124.50, it's coming right back into this channel. If it stays up there, that is a long, and then have your stop just below 124.50. These levels are amazing for traders, right? Because it gives you an exact area of what you can be trading from it, right? I love these areas. Look at where it's dancing, exactly where we said, right? Very nice. We'll see what it wants to do, but this is beautiful. You're just waiting. There it goes. It can't hold. There goes your put. Why? Your body is lower than the previous body. It did not pop above 124.50. If you're in the shorts, make sure your stop is just above 124.50, right? In this case, your stop's going to be around 124.53, and your shorts are now paying you right now. Let's get the money train rolling. Now look at it. It's touching 124.19, scalpers. You see where it touched? I tell you what, though, the fact that it came right back down into this channel, that's bearish, right? It should not have come right back down in this channel, but you all made money off of those puts and or shorts. Yes?
Yes.
Thank you. Amazon's still pulling. There's your pull all the way back down to 124.19 again. Told you, very bearish, right? The fact that it's down here again this fast tells me it wants to pull again, right?
Is there a level we're looking at below that .19?
124 will be the next, because that's going to be the whole natural.
It seems heavy.
Yeah, it's very heavy. It should not have come back here already. I just said that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should not. There you go.
There it is. Damn.
I told you 124.53. That's your short. There it is. Went all the way back down, broke below 124.19. And look at the bounce again off of Amazon. Scalpers, make your money every single time. Every single time it does this. Right here's your put. Right here's your stop. Right? Always have your stop. So if you're in a put, by the way, so let's say you bought a put here, right? This is your stop. And then down here, you have to watch this area. Why? It's a critical area. This is where I shed, right? That way, if it pops up against me, it's okay. And then I can dump the rest. Do you see how this works over and over and over? If you long it here, then your stop should be right below it, right? That way, minimal risk, right? There's always a risk, but we want to try to minimize our risk, right? And there's the pull again. If it stays below 124.19, stays, breaks, and holds, you're in a put or a short, and your stop will be just above it. Are we all doing that?
Absolutely.
Good.
Coach, take a look at Meta. It's been stepping up.
There's your move. There's your move. You see it staying? You see it staying down there? That's the move. Now I missed it. I was late, but that's the move right there. There it goes. I'll take it. There's $100, $106. So that's the move that I told you guys about, exactly to the penny, exactly how to do it. It looks like that. Yeah, look at this, Mark. Looking at Tesla, where we drew it before the market. It touched here. It touched here. All of here. Right here. And then it broke. And then I called the long. Went up towards VWAP, where I said, look for it to go back up to VWAP. Then it pulled back. Now it's pulling back up. So now it wants to go right back where it was, about this 271 range. And there we go again, right? Right? Like, look, there's your level. I will be in here, right? And I can do this all day long. I can scalp 100, 200, 300, 100, 200, 300, 100, 200, and 300 until I go, you know what? You just need to leave. But you can do it all day, right?
I was gonna say I made my money, so that Tesla call I just bought was for next week, just so I wouldn't sweat it.
Yeah, it's for free now, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that amazing when you do that? So right here, right? I said this is long on Tesla. So as long as this stays above 269.19, I will long it. If it can't, I won't. And I can scalp this all day long, right? And when I'm doing it with, I'll do it with 500 shares. So when I'm doing this with 500 shares and I'm scalping it like that, and I make $100 to $300 every time I click go, it adds up a lot. Right here, you see this? This is now I'd short it, right? Now it wants to pull right here. Boom, and it makes that little bit of move. There's $100. Then it comes back up, and if it breaks 269.19, I jump in it. Boom, there's $100. I can do this constantly.